We'll get to that breaking news in just a moment. Shootings, stabbings, carjacking, the list goes on. More kids in Nashville committing more serious crimes. The question is what to do.
Tonight, News Channel 5's Nick Barris sits down for an exclusive conversation with former Metro Juvenile Court Judge Betty Adams Green. She talks about the increasing violence and what to do to stop it.
Juvenile court's probably the toughest court there is to do it right.
Betty Adams Green would know. She served as Davidson County Juvenile Court Judge for 14 years, retiring in 2012. Green was respected and known for a firm hand, or gavel, when it came to holding kids accountable.
You also have a crystal.
I have a crystal
gavel.
Yes.
Green sees what's happening with juvenile crime and believes the same ideas that worked during her time on the bench still apply today, and that trends are cyclical. Yes, there must be treatment, but also consequences.
And one without the other is not going to work.
And Green believes a lack of consequences explains some shocking numbers recently released by Metro Police. In the past year, officers have arrested more than 200 minors. Yes, there were misdemeanors, but also 300 felonies. And some 45% of those young people were arrested at least one other time, some as many as 10 times.
And I think the protection of the community is equal to the treatment and rehabilitation of the juvenile.
Green says repeat offenders escalating to more serious crimes is one sign that they don't fear consequences. Pretrial diversion and counseling can work in some cases, but others need community service or time in juvenile lockup.
If you put all of your focus on treatment and you forget about the safety of the community, then the balance is skewed.
Green also offers this to crack down on youth crime.
In juvenile court, we've always said that there's about 5% of the kids that commit 95% of the crime. If you can identify that 5%, you can cut drastically.
Identify and sometimes lock them up, but don't give up.
So it's very important that you not just lock them up, but that you also provide that treatment and rehabilitation piece.
Green says the consequences will get their attention, so then it's more likely they'll buy into treatment and not commit more crimes. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Judge Green started her career as a teacher in Tullahoma. Then over more than 4 decades, Green worked with disadvantaged and at-risk youth here in Middle Tennessee, including 14 years as Metro's juvenile court judge.